Workplace charging is a big idea that's gaining steam across the country. But while it's meant to be a convenience for employees, it certainly offers a lot of advantages for employers and property managers. Attraction and retention of good employees seems harder than ever. Providing a unique benefit like workplace charging sets you apart. It can also encourage your employees to make the switch to EV. According to various studies, employees were as much as 6 times more likely to make the switch to electric if their workplace installed workplace charging stations. A positive trend that can improve your image internally and externally, improving morale and, in turn, productivity. If you're a property owner, it sets you apart from your competitors and could help attract and retain tenants. Employer tenants can realize the same benefits we've already talked about, which makes it mutually valuable for all parties involved. Because happy tenants are long-term tenants. Workplace charging is where the world is going. The sooner you buy in, the greater the payback.